Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Globe. Today we are going to learn about relative pronouns. Let's see what is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun refers or relates to a noun that is placed before it. And also a relative pronoun help to join sentences. Let's see some of the relative pronouns. Who, which, whom, whose and that. In today's lesson, we are going to see about who, which and that. Let's see where those relative pronouns are used. Who used for people, which for things, that for both people and things. We have two sentences. John is my best friend. John sits on the first bench. Now we use relative pronoun who to connect these sentences. John is my best friend who sits on the first bench. The part of the sentence which starts with who, which, or that is called relative clause. In this sentence, who sits on the first bench is the relative clause. And also, relative clause describes or provides information about a noun. There are two types of relative clause. Subject relative clause and object relative clause. Let's see the example for subject relative clause. We have two sentences. Jack is my friend. He gave me his pen. Now the subject of the second sentence is he, which turns into who because who used for person. Jack is my friend who gave me his pen. And also used that in this sentence. Jack is my friend that gave me his pen. Look at the next example. We have two sentences. I like friends, they are honest. Now the subject of the second sentence is they. Now we can use who instead of they. I like friends who are honest. And also we can use that. I like friends that are honest. Let's see this example. We have two sentences. I took a glass. It was full of milk. Now the subject of the second sentence, it turns into which because which used for things. I took a glass which was full of milk. We can also use that. I took a glass that was full of milk. Let's see the next example. This is a house, it belongs to her. Now the subject of the second sentence is it turns into which because which used for things. This is a house which belongs to her. And also we can use that instead of which. This is a house that belongs to her. Let's see the example for objective clause. In this case, we can drop relative pronoun if we want. They are my friends, I can trust them. Look at the second sentence. Them is an object which turns into who or that. They are my friends who I can trust. And also we can use that instead of who. They are my friends that I can trust. Or I can drop relative pronoun. They are my friends I can trust. Let's see the next example. We have two sentences. I bought a book. My friend recommended it to me. Now the object of the second sentence is it. It turns into which because which used for things. I bought a book which my friend recommended to me. We can also use that instead of which. I bought a book that my friend recommended to me. And also I can drop the relative pronoun. I bought a book my friend recommended to me. Look at the next example. We have two sentences. This is the car. We bought it yesterday. Now the object of the second sentence is it. It turns into which. This is the car which we bought yesterday. We can also use that instead of which. This is the car that we bought yesterday. I can also drop the relative pronoun. This is the car we bought yesterday. Let's finish the today lesson. Hope you enjoy the today lesson, and I think you all get some idea about the relative pronoun, and discuss the rest of the relative pronoun in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.